Pre-construction. Estimated completion date October 30, 2020. These photos are from an identical home. Contemporary new construction with loads of upgrades. CBS 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with 2,261 square feet under air, an oversized 2-car garage, and a stylish open floor plan. Upgrades include impact glass windows and doors, 42-inch soft close kitchen cabinets, upgraded stainless pulls, granite countertops, stainless steel appliance package, wood look tile flooring throughout, custom bathroom vanities with granite countertops, upgraded tile and showers, 10-feet ceilings and upgraded 8-foot interior doors. Contemporary lighting and plumbing fixtures throughout. The oversized master bedroom features his and her closets, spacious master bath with double vanities and a huge shower. 3 guest bedrooms are spacious, one with double doors to porch. Large covered and tiled porch and landscape package. Great location for an easy commute.